Starboard.
want to
Hit.
go?
Alert. Starboard
Where's
shields
it?
down.
Rear Astro service, right?
Quantum travel
Let's see.
initiated.
Again, jump out and we'll come back.
Quantum travel complete.
I don't know if this is this the repair station?
Looks like it.
No. I guess I have to go to the big one down below, huh? Let's move over to precision. Do an outside view. Actually, I'm in a pretty good spot, it looks like. A little bit forward.
You know, all these auto repairs are getting spoiled.
Well, I know, but you gotta know how to do it. I mean, you'd have to pay for
Landing
this.
gear deployed.
Okay, let's see. We'll stop.
Landing complete.
Gonna move forward a bit.
Yeah. Question is, does it repair?
Did you try pushing H, like the healing button?
Well, you don't have to do that in the main ones. I
On
might, the bottom one might not work. I might have to go to the top.
It looks like your little bots around your ship, though.
Well, let's take another look. No, I'm not getting any repair status.
Okay.
So we'll go.
Takeoff complete. Landing gear raised. Weapons system. Landing gear deployed. Landing complete. Landing gear
Buggy on the
raised.
takeoff there.
Takeoff complete.
Back to my main screen so I drive this thing. Third person driving a Connie's not really good. Just saying.
Whoa! I think you did more damage there than in the fight.
Yeah, I think it did too. Excuse me. Jeez, sorry guys. Didn't mean to blow your eardrums out. My bad!
Yeah, I just hate to be the one cleaning the mic.
Oh, no, that's why I got the filter over it too. But I turn my head. I cover my mouth.
Okay, these ones do work.
Oh, I know these work. Question is, can I fit on them to make them work?
I think you can. I think you have to be pointing like up, outwards.
I don't even know about pointing outwards. I think that might be a...
Eeny meeny which one I want.
Weapons system.
Whoa, whoa,
Hey, you got
whoa.
your missile thing deployed.
Whoa, it's like totally bugging now.
Yeah,
I'm not even
that's like
driving it,
sticking
though.
out.
It blew up. Because it like totally went forward and just made it happen. Explosion. I'm going to try that again. We're going to have to get damaged and try to rep that again.